In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're preparing a design for social media, print, or just cleaning up your workspace, adjusting the artboard size is a quick way to make sure your canvas matches your project's needs. Remember, the artboard is simply the boundary for your final output. It doesn't automatically change your artwork, so you can resize it without affecting your design elements. Start by opening your file in Illustrator. With your document open, head to the top menu and choose File, then Document Setup. This brings up a dialog box with settings specific to the document. Here, click Edit Artboards. Once you do, Illustrator switches into artboard editing mode and you'll see your artboard become active with resize handles at the corners and sides. If your file has multiple artboards, you can click the one you want to adjust and it will highlight with those handles. To change the size visually, click and drag any of the handles. This is great when you want to quickly expand or trim the workspace around your design. As you drag, keep an eye on the boundaries so you don't accidentally crop important content. If you prefer precision, look to the right side of your screen for the Properties panel. Under Artboard Options, you'll find exact width and height fields. Type in the exact dimensions you want, pixels for digital or inches and millimeters for print, and Illustrator will snap the artboard to those values. Using exact numbers is especially helpful when you're following platform, specs, or print requirements. A quick tip, resizing the artboard doesn't scale your artwork. If your design extends beyond the edges, that content will still be there. It just won't appear within the artboard's boundary when exported. After resizing, take a moment to confirm your layout still looks the way you want it to within the new size. When you're finished, press the Escape key or simply click away to exit artboard editing mode. You'll return to your normal editing tools and your newly sized artboard is ready to go. From here, you can continue designing or